quick tip.
Hello, today's EZ Loader quick tip is going to cover duplicating a load and sending a location update request email. Starting with duplicating a load, navigating to the load profile that you would like to duplicate. For example, here I've got load 01004. Near the top of the page, right next to the load number, you will notice this icon that looks like two pieces of paper. Selecting this icon, you can get a quick glimpse at the status of the customer's account and also decide which aspects of the load you would like to copy. We can go ahead and select all, click how many times you would like to duplicate this load, and clicking copy will create additional load profiles based on the criteria you have selected. Moving into our next tip, let's look at sending a location status update request to a carrier. Up here near the top of the load profile, next to our duplication and refresh icon, we'll see a blue icon with a little email. Clicking this, you have the ability to choose your recipient. If you've already entered contact information into this load for your dispatch or driver, that will pre-populate. Again, filling in the recipient's information, you can choose whether you'd like to give them the ability to automatically update the status of the load depending on how they complete the request. I've already sent an email here, so to give you guys a little idea of what that looks like on the other end, your recipient will receive an email asking them to click a link to go ahead and update the status of the load. Once they click that link, it'll open a web form. They have the ability to enter some information here. In this example, I'm going to mark that I'm running late. You'll also see some basic information regarding the load, such as origin or destination, as well as if you'd entered any external stop notes. I'm going to go ahead and click that I'm running late for pickup. It is going to say that the ticket has been completed. At this point in time, the user will receive an email letting them know that this update request has been received. That is going to look like this here. It gives you some basic information on what the carrier or the recipient filled out in that location update request. Navigating back to my load profile, since I selected to give them the ability to automatically update my status, you'll see that it has changed from assigned to dispatched. And looking in the notes section of the load here, we can see that a load status update request was completed. It has some of the basic information, such as what recipient it was from, the change of the status of the load from the web form itself, and the message and the updated location and time.